everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the light get bright like heaven. 3 sevens. Yeah, and everything in the dark come to light. Get on my level. Think I'm finna stop going when I turn 27.
The side of it was something to show for it, man, not just regrets.
For sure. What we're gonna do to finish this up, we're gonna tap into these. Now, there's many different account types, but we're gonna go over these two specifically that are right here. But know that there's a whole list of different account types that you have, but we're gonna go over these two right here specifically, the IRA and the individual brokerage account. So if you could tap into both of these for me, bro.
Okay, so individual brokerage account, that's like I said, more so for regular retail investors like you and I.
Okay.
That's for, that's what I suggest for everybody. The IRA, to be honest with you, I don't really too much get into the IRA because I know more about a Roth IRA, which is a tax-free way of saving your money. You can save up to it's either $6,000 or $7,000 a year tax-free, meaning if you make $50,000 in a year, you can put $6,000 away, and they'll only tax you for making $44,000. It's free money. You put that in a Roth IRA, and you save that for about 30 years, and you get all of your money tax-free. IRA, they tax you. Roth IRA, they don't tax you. But so, like I said, I highly suggest the individual brokerage account. Okay. That's more so the way to go for, like I said, for beginners.
Okay. So listen, we covered a whole lot, and as a bonus on the way out, he let everybody know what type of accounts you should get. So at this point, if you're confused on anything, you got so much information already, and we're just getting started with this. But at this point, you have a lot of information. Take it all in, do your research, go to these websites, see what we're talking about.
Check, living my life with no regrets, ain't trying to impress. We finish it less, no feeling, no ceilings, touching the sky. I fly over buildings, you searching with healing. The ground I'm tilling, I'm planting the seeds, I'm reaping the millions. Hard labor, yeah, I put in the work, they all